How to change your mindset to become successful. Most people don't fail because they lack talent. They fail because they never changed the way they think. Success doesn't begin in your bank account. It begins in your mind. Here are 6 mindset shifts that separate successful people from everyone else. 1. Believe you can improve. The person you are today is not the person you have to remain. Growth begins the moment you stop believing you're stuck. 2. Stop fearing failure. Every successful person has failed, more than once. Failure isn't proof that you should quit. It's proof that you're trying. 3. Protect your environment. Spend less time around people who complain about everything. Spend more time around people who challenge you to become better. The voices around you eventually become the voice inside your head. 4. Focus on progress, not perfection. Perfection keeps people waiting. Progress keeps people moving. Small improvements, repeated every day, become extraordinary results. 5. Take complete responsibility for your life. Stop blaming your past. Stop blaming other people. Stop waiting for the perfect moment. The day you take ownership is the day your future begins to change. 6. Feed your mind every single day. Read books, learn new skills. Listen to people who have already built the life you want. A strong mind doesn't happen by accident. It is trained, one day at a time. And here comes the most important part. Success is rarely created by one big decision. It's created by the thoughts you choose to believe every single day. Change your mindset, and your actions will change. Change your actions, and your life will eventually follow. If you're committed to becoming a better version of yourself, comment, grow,